Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we will be presenting our project that is done by Abdurrahman Asad.
زايد قاسم
ثور مطران.
محمد جابر.
and today we will be presenting our project that is about measuring the speed and the traveled height and the acceleration.
Our project also explains the types of forces acted on and by the elevator using Phyphox that is developed by RWTH Aiken University.
Eventually, I would like to thank Mr. Shadi and Ms. Reem for this amazing opportunity to learn about the physics behind the matters we use every day.
When the human steps on an elevator, the elevator is acted on a normal force upward which leads to Newton's third law because when we act on the elevator by a force which is our weight, the elevator will exert the exact same force in the opposite direction, so the normal force will be upward.
The gravitational force acts on the elevator toward the south direction because the elevator is in a gravitational field.
The cables of the elevator is the reason why the elevator is not falling. The cables are a tension force applied on the elevator to hold it.
Our experiments include using the force formula, which is force equal mass times acceleration. Also, we will add our weight to calculate the amount of newtons that are acted on the elevator. We will find the acceleration using Phyphox.